Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. Also, prepare 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 cup of boiling water for the perfect texture. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate medium bowl, whisk the milk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just moistened. Finally, carefully stir in the 1 cup of boiling water. The batter will be thin, which is perfectly normal. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Pour the thin batter evenly into 2 9-inch round baking pans that have been greased and floured. Place them in your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack to cool completely. The final step is the most delicious: frosting. Once your cake layers are completely cool, prepare your favorite chocolate frosting. A rich chocolate buttercream or a smooth ganache works wonderfully. Spread a generous layer of frosting between the 2 cake layers, then cover the top and sides of the entire cake. Now, slice into your beautifully homemade chocolate cake and enjoy every single bite. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.